Hello, so welcome to the Cool Crochet Society. I'm Kelly, and today I'm going to show you how to make the magic loop. So it's really simple to make, it doesn't have to be complicated, but it's a really handy method for making a really tight hole when you're doing a crochet project in the round. And all you're doing is making this loop that you're going to make your stitches into. And in the end you're going to be able to pull this tail and make it nice and tight so you've got tiny to no hole in the middle. So just hold your yarn as usual and then just fold your tail end underneath to make a loop like that. Okay. Then you're just going to pop your crochet hook in the middle and you're going to pull up a loop and chain one. So if you're doing single crochet, you will now make all your single crochet in this loop, but make sure you make all your stitches over this double strand. Okay, so you see whether it makes this almost part of a knot. You make all your stitches over this double strand, not here. Don't make them over the single strand. This is the bit you're going to pull tight. So if you're doing a double crochet, you will just chain two instead. Now you can count this as your first stitch or not, it's entirely up to you. And now you just start to make your stitches. So I'm just going to make a few just to show you how it tightens up. But you can also make this loop looser as well. So if you find you don't have enough space, just pull the tail end out and it will loosen. So nice, bigger. But if you're going to make it bigger, make sure you've got a nice long tail. If you think you're going to need to put a lot of stitches in this, and you need a much longer tail, so you've got room to pull that open a bit more. So I'll just make 4 stitches in here. All of them are over that double knot of yarn there. One more. That's the turning chain and 4 double crochet in the loop. Now I'm just going to grab my tail, which is this side here wants to bunch up. There we go. And I can pull that tight. Now how tight you get it depends on how many stitches you've got and if it's going to stretch around. Okay, so before that gets any further, I'm going to join my stitches. See how tiny that hole is now? I'm going to pull up a loop and pull this nice and tight. So obviously how tight you pull it depends on how strong your yarn is. But there we go. And that is the magic loop. It makes a really nice tight hole. So it's far better than using, say, 3 chains together and then go around in each chain. Just pull all that out and I'll show you again how we make it. So just hold your yarn as normal. Bring your tail end back underneath your working yarn to make that loop. Crochet hook in the middle, pull up a loop and chain one to secure it. And that is your magic loop. And always make your stitches over the top of this double strand, so then you can pull it tight for a nice tight middle circle. And that is all there is to the magic loop. It's really quite easy, it doesn't have to be complicated, and gives for a much nicer finish for your hats and blankets in the round. There we go. As always, if you want any other tips, want to join a nice friendly crochet community, then please come over to my group, the link's in the banner. So we're on Facebook and it's the Cool Crochet Society. Okay, I'd love to see you there and I will see you next time for the next video. Bye for now.